Guys, winter weather advisory. No, wait, winter weather advisory.
Snow expected.
Okay, here we go.
Total snow accumulations of 4 to 10 inches. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles an hour.
Huh?
Where?
What?
Central
35?
and eastern Chaffee County, southern Sangre de
But it's half
Cristo
of
Mountains,
Paso
below
County.
11,000
That's my
feet.
county.
Central and western Fremont County,
Fremont
the Wet
County.
Mountain Valley and Pikes Peak in Teller County. When? From 5 a.m. Monday to 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Tuesday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult due to slick and snow-packed roads. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning and evening commutes. At 8 p.m., Colorado Springs. Mostly cloudy, 31
Guys,
degrees.
when it said I don't know which feet, like 612 feet or 3 or I don't know.
Air Force Academy. Cloudy, 31 degrees. Falcon. Cloudy, 29. Albert. Cloudy.
Alright, guys, winter weather advisory for our county. And there's a game. It's Green Bay versus Titans. They're winning. Green Bay. Wait, what was the score? What was the score? And the Broncos lost against Chargers. Great. Oh, the score is like 14-33, and there's only a minute left. Wait, hang on, I want to see this. Alright, guys. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you next time.